In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Ads budget. First, open your browser and go to Google Ads, then sign into your account. Make sure you're in the account where your campaign lives, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're in, we'll head straight to the campaigns area so we can adjust budget settings in the right place. From the left-hand navigation, click Campaigns. This takes you to a list of all campaigns in the account. If the list doesn't appear immediately or you land on a different view, click Campaigns again to bring up the full overview. Being in the Campaigns view ensures you can create or resume drafts and access the settings you need without hunting through different pages. At the top of the campaign list, look for the blue plus icon and click it. This opens the creation and management menu for campaigns and drafts. From that menu, choose Resume Campaign Draft. This option is perfect when you've already started building a campaign and just need to finish configuration, including the budget. If you're working from a draft, all your previous selections will be right where you left them. Inside the campaign setup, locate the budget section. Depending on your layout, you may see it in the main editor or within the campaign settings panel. Click Budget to activate the field for editing. Here is where you tell Google Ads how much you want to spend per day on this campaign. Now, enter your budget. This is a daily budget, which means you're setting the average amount you want to spend each day. Keep in mind, Google may spend a bit more on high opportunity days and less on slower days, but it will balance out to your daily average over the month. Choose a number that aligns with your goals, your bidding strategy, and the value of a conversion for your business. For example, if you're targeting leads and expect clicks to cost a few dollars each, set a daily amount that allows for enough clicks to generate meaningful data within a week. A few tips as you decide. Start with a conservative daily budget you're comfortable testing, let it run long enough to gather reliable data, and revisit your budget after reviewing performance. You can adjust this at any time, so don't worry about locking it in permanently. Also, be mindful of your account's time zone and billing cycle, as both affect pacing and spend. That's it. You've navigated to Google Ads, opened campaigns, resumed your draft, clicked into budget, and entered your daily budget with confidence.